The circle?
Yeah, dude, I think you're being recorded right now.
Give me the phone!
No.
Okay, then we're being recorded right now.
Okay.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, I am holding the phone right now, so we will be taking turns. My turn right now.
Okay, so, right now we're playing Exploding Kittens again today.
Part 2.
We had to end part 1 because all the kids, and now they're having a writing contest. We distracted them. We're so smart. Okay, now, let's start. Everyone knows the rules because if they've watched part 1. All right. What are we going to do?
I do believe it was my turn.
Yeah. What's your turn?
Okay, so, let's see, what should I do? I think I'm just going to draw a card. One of these babies. Just read this, okay? I'm not going to show Brayden. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, it's your turn. Oh, I know you're We're already a minute and 20 seconds into the video.
Oh, okay. Attack! I don't need to draw a card. My turn's ended. It's your turn.
I gotta pick 2 cards. 1,
Oh.
2. Thank you for the favors. Favor number 1.
Why do I do these things?
Ask for a back hair shampoo. One player must give you a card of their choice. There's a woman giving this guy, very, very, very fat guy, a back hair massage. Give me a card of your choice, or die. Actually, I'm not gonna kill you because you're my friend. However, those youngsters...
Oh, you're so savage.
Oh, I got a nope card. Let's read what it says.
Nope.
Feed your opponent a nope sandwich with extra nope sauce. That's just the caption. This is what it really does. Stop the action of another player. You can stop this. You can play this at any time. So let's say he does really anything. I can just stop it. Well, it's my turn, I guess.
Really?
Oh no, it's not my turn.
Okay. I'm going to... I can't really...
Actually, no, it still is my turn. I just haven't ended it. Yeah. Get enslaved by party squirrels. Same favorite card. Well, not same. It's the favorite card. Please get enslaved by party squirrels. Or you can give me a card.
Like a bunch of squirrels just jump down from the tree and land on my head. Ah!
And then it had makeup and had like a little whip. Hiya! And they started making horse noises. Actually, that sounds more like a...
Can I have my turn?
That sounds more like a pregnant woman. No offense.
My aunt's due today. For a baby.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, good luck then.
Good luck! Okay. So, my cards. So, once again, I have this old hag here, whatever he is. And a cat's weakness.
Lasers.
Alright. So, is it your turn?
You haven't given me the card for the favor.
Oh, you gotta hold it.
Okay, I can do that. You haven't given me the favor card.
Okay. I'll give him the strange-looking man.
I like the strange-looking man.
Get a good look at him.
He's ugly. That's why I hate him.
Why do we only have one card?
I don't know.
What happens if you run out of cards?
Nothing.
Hold
the phone.
Hold the phone!
Give me
Hold the phone!
Give me a ham and turkey sandwich and hold the phone.
Hold the phone. I'll just use...
I'm ending my turn. Oh.
Give me this.
Charged attack. Fire the fat hamster crossbow. That is very offensive to fat hamsters.
Give me that. The people do not like kids right now. Let's finish this game.
Okay.
Finish it. Okay.
They're just gonna be watching this.
This is good.
Well, draw a card. You can do anything.
Ooh.
The next one, kitten.
Abercrab Lincoln is elected president?
Yeah, that's a.
Abercrab Lincoln! He's beautiful! Look at this beautiful man!
He's ugly.
Abercrab Lincoln.
He looks like you. Okay, it's my turn now. Target attack. Fire the fat hamster crossbow. Usually, if there were more than just two people playing this, it wouldn't have to be the person who goes after me. It would be the person. It could be anybody really. But since we're just two players, it automatically turns into an attack. So just draw the top two cards.
This is beautiful.
I've skipped my turn.
This is beautiful.
I have skipped my turn, and you have to end your turn twice. So now it's my turn.
Oh, it's so cute. Taco cat backwards. It's taco cat.
I'm going to target attack again with my shark who hurts with words instead of teeth. And my turn again. You have to draw the next two cards. This
fat buddy is cheering me up.
he's a jackanope.
So is the
You get 2 more turns. You have to end them immediately.
Another taco cat.
I'm gonna alter the future.
What do you do when you have two of the exact same cards?
He's beautiful. I'm gonna do that.
What do you do when you have the?
Well, if it's your turn, you can play them. You get to steal a random card from from any other player.
If I have two of the exact same cards?
Yeah, he's beautiful. See the future. Ask the all-seeing cat wizard. Read his fortune-telling sign.
Here. Okay. Here.
They must read the goat's sign. After all, it explains why his beard is so exceptional.
Joy to the world, Barney is dead. We barbecued his head. Good idea.
Yes.
Okay. Now.
I ate it for supper last night. Delicious. It's your turn.
Taco cat, taco cat.
Okay.
And then
Pick a card, 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 pick a card. You pick 2 cards. Pick a card, pick a card. Oh, you get
Beard cat!
You get your old hag back.
Beard cat!
Okay, end your turn. Or play a card. Mosquitoes!
I'm gonna take a big bite out of that sandwich.
Take a big bite out of your coward sandwich. That looks not
Mermaid! Oh, the beautiful mermaid!
I hate the mermaid.
Remember from part 1? It's my future wife.
Yeah. Very ugly too. Nope.
Why?
I can't do that.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. See the future. I love looking into the future. Oh.
Wow, what is the goat doing?
He's fortune telling. In case you didn't read this yet, I'll read it for you. Fortune telling, $20. Ask me questions. I can see the future because I am a magic goat, and that is why my beard is so exceptional.
Whoa.
Look at his face.
Oh, snap, he's hot.
He's not hot. Although his beard is very, very, very exceptional. So is his face.
Okay. So, I will now...
Yay! Draw from the bottom, release fireworks from your underpants. Don't actually do this. Yeah.
Please don't do this. This is not...
Kids, do not do this at home.
Yes.
Wait, we're kids. We're doing this at home.
Wait, no. You're my neighbor.
Oh.
You don't live here.
Oh.
You're not homeless. You just have 3 annoying siblings.
They should be homeless.
Ooh, oh no. Hey, their drawing contest is getting... Oh. Come on, they're almost done. All right.
I am taking this phone. Don't look at him. He's getting diseased or something. The fur maid is killing him. Inside out.
Mermaid.
Let's look at his eye. Say ah.
Ah!
Hold it. No. circle and the little square, they're on your eye right now. Okay, continue. We're already 10 minutes into the video.
Wow.
Yeah, time flies.
When you have
And there's that airplane!
Whee!
P.S. I just said that the time flies.
I'll read it. It says, cat of death.
Here, let me read this for your creative drawing contest.
No, it said, cat. A cat.
Cat of death. Store.
No,
A
it's
cat.
I'll read it. It says, cat of death. The story. A cat.
Story.
A cat.
This was not for you to write a story. This is a picture.
But he was crazy. He picked up a gun and shot his owner. Look how cute he is.
She seems so
That is
sweet.
very violent.
And ran off.
Where did she learn how to do that?
And then he shot everyone in the world. The end.
That's not funny. Dude, she seems so sweet, and now she's like a terrorist now. She's just trained cats to shoot herself.
She's an ATM. She's an ATM machine. An already trained murderer. Okay.
Anna, you weren't supposed to write a story. You gotta write a picture. She's going to grow up to be a very nice demon.
Okay. Well, that's not what we told them to do.
Yeah.
Right. Hopefully you have stayed through this whole video. It's not ending yet.
Until 3 minutes.
Yeah, we have 3 minutes.
Go!
Right? Okay.
Yeah, we're going to make another part.
So,
Well, where are all the explosions? Seriously. Don't worry. The cards will drain very quickly.
alter the future.
Top 3 cards.
I'm with my future wife. Oops, I accidentally took the top 4.
Ha, he just used his future wife.
Ooh, this is beautiful.
Are you possessed?
Oh no! I'm just gonna keep it in the same order.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Ow! The mosquito hit me ahead.
I don't want. I can't really do it.
Okay. If you have 4 cards, you can use them. It isn't, and they all have to be different 4 cards. You can play them, and you can get any card you want from the discard pile. I'm gonna use
Can I please
that
show them my
card,
card? It's
that
beautiful.
card, that card, and that card. 4 cards.
Here it's my turn to play.
I kidnapped your future wife.
No! I actually hate her. She's ugly.
Like you. Down in there. Actually, she's a mirror.
That you just looked into. Oh!
Yeah, and I look awesome.
Well, okay, Joel, can I show the audience what you will grow up to be?
That's you. She'll grow up to be like this.
Lonely and confused.
In case you didn't know, I'm not.
In case you didn't know, here, have it.
He needs therapy.